I've always been someone who's loved adventure. And after graduating university, I thought, why not take the summer off to bike across Canada? I started my trip in Comox and headed north on Vancouver Island. The first night, I stayed with my friends Jenna, Mac, and Robbie. Well, that's fun. Vancouver Island has endless nature to explore. Just went swimming at this beautiful lake. Day 2, I found this beautiful creek to sleep by. Okay, just backed up the campsite. Day 3, here we go. There's a cool train in Was, which me and my caving friends call Ragnad. You can pause to read the story below. I went for a beautiful swim in the Nimkish River, which was a bit chilly. I soon arrived in the small town of Port McNeill, and my caving friend Michael invited me to Sontula on Malcolm Island for an evening. We had a fire and met lots of great people. I also grabbed some Pacific Ocean water to take across Canada. The next morning, I left Sontula and went back to Port McNeill. This is horrible. Port McNeill has the world's largest tree burl, and just before I got there, some idiot set it on fire. Next, I headed to Port Hardy, and I also tested out my drone, which was pretty fun. Once in Port Hardy, I went to the ferry to get in the lineup to go to Prince Rupert. The ferry is 22 hours long, but the ride is very scenic, so it was well worth it. Everyone just slept wherever. So cool! Wow, this is incredible. I stayed with my cousins and we had a games night with their friends. Prince Rupert is supposed to be the rainiest city in North America, but when I got there it was actually quite pleasant. On the road again, day 7, here we go. Between Prince Rupert and Terrace was phenomenal. The views were incredible, and the Skeena River is massive. It definitely gives Vancouver Island's natural beauty a run for its money. Of course, when I saw this awesome tree, I had to climb it. The view from the top was incredible. When I finally made it to Terrace, I met up with my friends Sam and Miranda, and we did some bouldering together. It was lots of fun. What a great way to finish off the first week.